Namaste. Jai Shri Ram. And a very, very happy Independence Day to everyone here. I just loved what was written on the poster advertising today's celebrations. A vision, a mission, a dream, leading to a strong, a powerful and a united Bharat. It cannot be doubted that Prime Minister Modi has this vision and is making excellent progress towards making it a reality. His landslide victory in May is testament to how he has delivered on his promises, catapulting Bharat up the socio-economic global rankings, reminding Bharatias to be proud of their 10,000-year-old glorious, glorious civilization, and giving strong and decisive responses to terror and threat. Just last week, Prime Minister Modi and his government took another very definite step towards making the dream of a united Bharat a reality. I am, of course, talking about the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir and scrapping of Articles 35A and 370. It struck me that all of the events that have occurred throughout Jammu and Kashmir's history and all of the narrative around the region today create the perfect case study for understanding India 72 years after it gained independence. So what I will be doing in my talk today is taking you on a journey through Kashmir, starting tens of thousands of years ago and reaching into the future. I really hope you learn some things about the region along the way. I lost count of the number of times that I said wow as I was researching it. But what I really, really hope is that it gives you some concrete actions, ideas, energy, and inspiration to ensure that the narrative around India for future generations is not about colonial India, but about a strong, a powerful, and a united Bharat. It was due to Bhagwan's blessings that Kashmir came into existence. There was once a great lake called Satisar that covered the land that we now know as Kashmir. Satisar was an embodiment of Ma Sati and the favourite place of her husband, Lord Shiva. On the prayers of Lord Brahma's grandson, Kashyap Muni, Lord Vishnu, in his third avatar, pierced the lake with his boar tusk, and from that, the land of Kashmir, an evolution of the name Kashyap, emerged. Geological evidence corroborates that Kashmir emerged from under the water in a very sudden earthquake-like event. Unlike other religions that are constantly having to find compromises and excuses to explain what is written in their religious text based on what is discovered through science, modern-day science, Hinduism never has that problem. It only ever enhances the scientific discovery. As someone with a physics degree, I have a strong intuition that it will be Hindus who solve the most difficult big problems remaining in physics. It makes perfect sense to me that Schrödinger, the grandfather of quantum theory, admitted that he was inspired by Vedanta when conceptualizing wave-particle duality, the fundamentals of quantum theory. India is already well on its way to becoming a world leader in science and technology. In 2014, it became the first Asian country to successfully launch its Mars orbit mission with Mangalyaan. In 2017, it created world history by launching 104 satellites in a single mission. The previous record was just 37. And just a few months ago, it launched its second lunar exploration mission, Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-2 was not only a global first because it will be the first probe to ever land on the lunar South Pole, but it was also a global first because the bosses of the mission were both women. This brings me back to Kashmir.